Good morning everyone, this is Paul for week 4 of my exercise vlog, an exercise physiologist who doesn't exercise. So this week I thought I'd do something a little different. I'm welcoming you into my own home, specifically the kitchen, and I actually want to take you through how I prepare my food for the week. Just a quick update on the exercise. I'm managing to get to the gym, very similar to the last couple of weeks. That discipline has set in, motivation has kicked in, and now I wanted to give you guys insight into how I prepare. So in regards to nutrition, I'm really looking to just get into the habit of eating well, filling meals, and really just trying to tackle those key components. So my protein options, my carbohydrates, and lots of vegetables, really just to keep me full for longer throughout the day. So I'm just going to take you through really quickly. Basically, I've set out my Tupperware containers ready to go. You can see there's a lot of them. I'm also preparing for my wife Jenna because she's joined on board with me, and like I said last week, really this is all about finding support around you and getting people on board with that. So Tupperware set, I've got 6 for myself and 4 for Jenna because that's how many shifts she's working this week. Across, you probably just saw the vegetables just then, so this week I'm opting for carrots, broccoli and green beans. This will change week to week. Really comes down to what I feel like. Last week I had some capsicum in there. The week before I had cauliflower. So I generally find what's on sale, or at least what is abundant and cheap, and then I'm cooking that. But usually a lot of green, a lot of colors. I have a steamer, which everything's pretty much going to go into. Broccoli and carrots. The green beans I'm going to pop on the stovetop, boil it down, cook it that way, nice and simple. For my carbohydrate options, I'm looking at basmati rice, pretty simple, followed by in the rice cooker. I can leave it, I don't have to worry about it, it's done. My protein options, I've got a chicken marinating in honey soy garlic that I've made myself. You can't go wrong, bit of oil, honey, soy sauce, bit of garlic, ginger, done. Beef sausages, I find are very easy just to get some beef protein in, as well as beef mince, which I'm going to make into a chili con carne, and really that's all going to go over the stovetop. Potatoes are going to go in the boil, which are then going to go into the oven, and that's really it. From there, once everything's cooked, I found a method where everything cooks around the same time, so by the end everything's ready to go. I'm dishing it out into the Tupperware, and that's my week's cooking. Now I'll only store these in the fridge, mainly because I don't want to freeze stuff. It retains a lot of water and it loses its flavor, but I know I'm eating all this within 7 days, so it's fine. I haven't gotten sick yet. Don't take my word for it though. Make sure your fridge works. But yeah guys, that's a quick little video update. You've caught me in my pajamas, not a morning minion. But I hope this gives you some insight into how I'm preparing my food. I hope it gives you some inspiration for yourself. This only honestly takes me maximum 2 hours to do on the weekend. And if we can't find 2 hours on the weekend to do all this, then you know, we've succumbed to takeaway and fast food during the week and just poor options. And from a cost perspective, this shopping didn't cost more than $100 if I'm choosing the right options and foods. And you know, over 10 meals, $100, that's pretty good value, I think. And yeah, so really, if you guys have any advice or what you cook for yourself, please let me know down in the comments. But as always, my name is Paul, exercise physiologist who doesn't exercise. I'll see you next week. Take care.